My name is Przemek. I work at GetResponse since 2016, as far as I go, and I'm leading the Polish marketing team. I started working at non-existing already education team, and then I moved to the marketing team for the junior position as a junior specialist, and then, well, things get better and I got promoted. Whenever I needed any assistance, any help, any, troubleshooting, whatever you name it, someone was around. And it really helped me in developing myself, in developing my skills, and as a human as well. The greatest team in the world. Great people, great atmosphere, people I can always count on, absolutely. When I entered the office for the first time, I looked around and all I could say was, wow. What surprised me at first glance, it was the space. The atmosphere, the surrounding, the amount of plants, and the climate itself. It was really incredible. I felt myself at home at first glance. It was incredible. I thought, whoa, this is the office I want to work in. Absolutely. The coffee here is excellent, absolutely. Work from the office, it's awesome.